The only thing left to do now is just to, using the back of this tweezer, I'm just sort of rubbing it along the fringing. Any parts that were pressed down when I was holding it to attach anything, I'm just going to fluff out. And depending on how short you cut the fringing is going to give you a smaller or a slightly larger hedgehog. So you can see the size difference, cutting this a little bit shorter, leaving this a little bit longer, and you can see how sweet his face looks. Bring that more around. Needs more trimming, do it. It's a little bit too dark for your liking. You could add a little bit of bleach to the tips. It gives a much lighter look. You could add some pan pastel. They look so sweet. And they make lovely sort of accompaniments to your paper flowers. Just give them a little bit of a trim. And I love this combination of colors as well. The saddle, the twig, the cream and the white. It gives such a beautiful, natural looking covering. And the colors just work together so well. And bring it in closer to show you how sweet it looks. This one's quite fluffy, so I don't really think he needs that little detail. But there you go. Hope you have lots of fun creating your own little hedgehogs.